Hello my people, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. Remember, I am good at supporting others' channels. I just need y'all to come and let me know you got another video, because if it's so many people, I do have trouble trying to get around to everyone. So if you could please, when you do have a new video, because I'm not getting, on account of me not getting everybody notification, can you please just come over and just say, Janita, I got a video up, and then I'll come and support that way. I can make it around. I really would appreciate if you guys would help me out that way. Well, anyway, say hello to my fall family. This is Garden Man, just in a different outfit with his wife. And I'm going to have kids make, create some fall kids. I'm trying to do a fall coffee bar. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but we'll see. But this is the start of it. Happy fall, y'all. Garden Man, fall, fall man. I should have to call him Fall Man, because he is definitely not in the garden. He's going to be with his family on the coffee bar soon, hopefully. And his wife, you can see she's decorating her fall outfit and her orange necklace. This is a DIY fall decor video in the making. I used a little string of some ribbon to make a necklace for Miss Fall. And yep, she's busted up. If my sister was here, she would love this, because she was waiting on me to decorate my coffee bar. I didn't get a chance to get around to it because I got kind of I don't know, delayed, I guess. So right now I just have them sitting on a two-tier stand, just to show you guys what the heck I am trying to do for fall 2020, even though I'm pushing it because I was supposed to already have stuff prepared. So I'm probably going to be using a lot of stuff I had out yet last year to help with the background. But as far as on the coffee bar, I'm planning on having, Fall Man, Fall Lady, and the kids on the bar with some other little stuff. I guess Mr. Pumpkin, if y'all remember Mr. Pumpkin, will probably be in the picture. But I don't know if I'm going to have all them little sweet cakes and snacks and all that stuff around. I'll try and create something, hopefully. I don't know if it's going to be a lot, but I'll do my best. And like that. And I do wish my sister was here, because she would love to see my fall coffee bar. I miss her, because she was my creative one, my creative sister that liked to create stuff too. But anyway, hope you guys like my little fall family and my little details I try to create with the yarn. There's no pattern for what I do. It's like a painter that with no instructions. I just come up with it and I do it, and I make them the way I make them to satisfy my taste. And if someone else likes it, thank you very much. But this is the fall family and their ensemble, and they're wishing everybody a happy fall. And she is holding on to her basket of, I don't know if those are turkey feathers or what she got in that little basket that's made out of twine. And their outfits just made out of orange yarn. And like I said, she has a bow on her hat, and that her necklace is made out of a little string of ribbon that I got from Michael's. They had a whole bunch of it. I don't know why I just got one. But anyway, just sharing my fall DIY decor decorations, I guess. So thanks for watching, and like I said, help me out with getting around to y'all, because the notifications ain't worth nothing on here. But hoping all of you have a blessed, wonderful fall. And thanks for watching and sharing. Please thumb up my video, please share, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so see if you can get my notifications. And if anybody comes through and not subscribed, please subscribe and enjoy my previous videos. As you can see, I have plenty of food hauls, and I've started cooking with these gadgets. I had plants, gardening. Well, just check out my previous videos. Please stream them if you like and enjoy what you see. Thank you very much. And leave beautiful comments in the comment section. And thank you. Don't forget to Google the news. Y'all heard about the news going on today. Just Google the news. And thank you all. Once again, have a happy fall. Happy holidays.